Yoga is renowned for its holistic approach to health, benefiting not just the body but also the mind and spirit. When it comes to skin problems like sagging skin, dullness and signs of aging, certain yoga poses can be particularly helpful by improving circulation and tightening loose skin by reducing stress and promoting detoxification. Here are some yoga poses that may tighten loose skin and prevent aging. Matsyasana, fish pose. This pose stimulates the thyroid gland, which plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy skin. It also improves blood circulation to the face and neck, potentially reducing acne and other skin blemishes. Bhujangasana, cobra pose. Cobra pose helps to stretch the chest and abdomen, increasing blood flow to the skin. This improved circulation can help nourish skin cells and promote a healthy glow. Halsana, flower pose. This inverted pose encourages blood flow to the face and scalp, which may help in reducing wrinkles, improving skin tone and tightening loose skin. It also stimulates the thyroid gland, supporting overall skin health. Sarvangasana, shoulder stand. According to Himalayan Siddha Akshar, Yoga Guru, founder, Akshar Yoga Kendra, another inverted pose. The shoulder stand promotes blood circulation to the face and scalp. It's believed to help balance hormones, which can be beneficial for those dealing with acne or other hormone-related skin issues. Trikonsana, triangle pose. This pose aids in digestion and detoxification, which can indirectly benefit the skin by helping to eliminate toxins from the body. Padmasana, lotus pose. While not directly related to skin health, this meditative pose can help reduce stress, which is often a contributing factor to skin problems like acne and eczema. Adho Mukha Swansana, downward facing dog. This pose increases blood flow to the face, potentially helping to clear up skin congestion, promote a healthy complexion and tighten loose skin. Ustrasana, camel pose. Camel pose opens up the chest and stimulates the thyroid gland. It can help improve metabolism and hormone balance, which may positively affect skin health. Dhanursana, bow pose. This pose stimulates the digestive system and helps in detoxification, which can lead to clearer, healthier skin. Pranayam, breathing exercises. Various breathing exercises in yoga like Anulom Vilom Pranayam, Kapalbhati and Nadi Shodhan can help reduce stress and promote oxygenation of the blood, both of which can contribute to tighten loose skin. It's important to note that while these yoga poses may help improve skin health, they should be practiced regularly and in conjunction with a healthy diet, proper hydration, and good skincare habits. According to Yogacharya Akhil Gore, founder, Rautan Yoga, before starting any new yoga practice, especially if you have existing health conditions or skin problems, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional or a qualified yoga instructor. They can provide guidance on how to perform these poses safely and effectively. Remember that consistency is key when it comes to yoga. Regular practice over time is more likely to yield noticeable results for your skin and overall health. Start slowly, listen to your body, and gradually increase the duration and complexity of your yoga routine as you become more comfortable with the practice.